Welcome back to the Always Thinking Mindset channel, where we give you positive vibes and simple rules to achieve your goals. Now, in today's video, we're going to speak on how to make money online. This is fascinating because we live in a revolutionary technological world. There's so many opportunities to make money online and work from your couch if you wanted to, or set up a business. Now, before we begin, I'd like for you to give it a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm. No subscription is necessary. You don't pay anything. All this is free. And also, if you like the channel, you already know what to do. So let's go ahead and begin on how to make money online three ways. Okay, your first big one is going to be marketing. So, marketing is all around us. Even myself, as an entrepreneur, real estate owner, I'm constantly just interacting with clients. You have to get online, you have a website, give your business card. Marketing is a beautiful way to get into making money online, especially with a lot of your clientele. If you go down Facebook or Instagram or whatever social media platform, everywhere is marketing, even on YouTube. Probably right now you're probably watching a commercial, but marketing is so good in making money online because it requires computers, you being fascinated with the job, helping businesses grow. That's the main thing. But also, we moved away from newspapers to everything being online, and just traffic flow and SEO and Google makes everything so much better and easier. But marketing is a perfect opportunity for you to get your foot in the door on starting a business, helping other businesses, just develop your clientele. You can actually start off for free, right? Start offering your services for free. Next thing you know, your word of mouth will get out there and you will be someone's go to. Once you start dealing with people or businesses or whatever, then you can start setting a price. Now, also, the way to do it is just to undercut the market, right? So, what makes you better than the other person? And the saying is, you just undercut it as far as pricing goes because you are starting to develop your clientele, you are starting to get big. But marketing is a great way online to actually, reach a fan base, whatever company, whether you're selling bracelets or jewelry or anything. It just goes so well with making money online. Easy behind a computer. You can be a one-man operation, you can be a full 10-person operation or a company, right? In my old company, we had one guy. Well, actually, we had two people in charge of the marketing, right? And it was a pretty big company. It was nationwide, and that is a lot of clientele, a lot of interaction, and they made very good money, right? Because marketing consists of developing ways and strategies to help businesses. And in this day and age, everything's online. So why not start a company with marketing? So, on to my second rule, which would be cybersecurity. Cybersecurity being very top notch, right? With CrowdStrike and these airports and just everything in general, everything requires monitoring. Cybersecurity is a perfect profession to get in because not only will you have people waiting in line for you to monitor their internet services, transactions, whatever it is from just hackers and people worldwide, everybody is always getting swindled. They like to give their business to somebody that can operate and protect their business from hackers and everyday people. But cybersecurity is one of these things that it's gonna be there regardless of AI because someone needs to monitor AI or someone needs to monitor the actual cyber threat. So with cybersecurity, that is a fast, easy way to be online. Not only that, you have a lot of third-party platforms. Google is one, Microsoft has another. If you're able to just balance the accounts and have build your clientele, you will make a lot of money, especially when you get your foot in the door and you've established yourself. But cybersecurity is one definitely here to stay, especially being online. Which brings me to my last and final rule of website development and editing. All right, here we go. So, in the world of YouTube, there's so many editors. Now they're going they're outsourcing to other countries, and obviously for being cheaper. But sometimes you want to personalize it. Sometimes you want to see it. You want to work with people that are in your area, and sometimes the schedules are kind of hard. And when you go into website design and editing, there's always someone, especially the older folks that don't know how to operate computers and need time and explanations. But website design has been there. It's gonna be there. Whether AI can step in, I don't know. I still think this is one that people need instruction on to build the website, to customize, to visualize, and put it in stone. And editing, right? Whether it's editing video or just the website in itself, this kind of goes hand in hand with marketing. But if you are tech and computer savvy, this is one of these things that Google has, a full class on how to get better at IT, or what I talked about earlier, cybersecurity. But not only that, website design. I mean, there's so many things out there. Not only that, YouTube has plenty of tutorials. I'm sure there's channels out there willing to teach you on ends on how to do everything. So to make money online, it's not really hard. It's just, it takes a lot of work, a lot of patience, and sometimes people don't have that, right? They want the quick buck, they want the quick everything. But it's just like a seed that you plant on the ground. You have to water it, nourish it, and then watch it grow. But these are the three main things that I think anybody, regardless of degree, regardless of who you are, you just open up a laptop, just start getting involved, connect to the Wi-Fi, start building your clientele slowly, and you'll soon see that you have so much opportunity out there, because these are things that a lot of people don't understand or just don't want to be a part of, right? They got other things to manage, and they rather hire somebody and give it its appropriate time. But that ends today's episode. If you took any value from this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It does help the algorithm. Like I said, no subscription needed. No kind of commitment here, but tell me your thoughts, right? Is AI going to take all these jobs that I just spoke on? Do they need help? Is it a hand in hand deal? For me personally, I mean, I'm too far in the game of real estate and other ventures. But honestly, I mean, to make money online just on those three topics, I think I would put my hat in the ring and see what happens. But until next time, we will speak soon.